Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. So today we have a game. I'm just going to Battlefield. Is it in the northeast? So I hope today I can get a good shot, and I have no idea about if they allowed the camera inside, because on that place it is indoor, it's not outdoor like last time. So let's see and what will be happen, and enjoy the videos. And if you like it, just hit the subscription button and subscribe my channel. And I hope we can get a good shot. You can guys watch the video till at the end. So let's go and have fun, enjoy the video. This is the gun I used today. It's from my buddy. So this is the same one, and that's different. I just set up the camera here and we're good to go. Okay guys, thank you for watching. So this game was honestly was crazy. It was good. I killed 2 times, 3 times. I got shot too. So it is what it is. I got shot one of my under my shoulder. Right now it's it's paining. So maybe it gets better. Thank you for watching my videos, and if you like the videos, if you like it, so just comment below any suggestion, like the button, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and see you on next vlog.